What's up, guys? Thank you for tuning in to another video with the dailies. On today's video, we are transforming the steps that lead into the sunroom, as it's going to be the main wow factor of the room. We're giving it a whole makeover, so definitely make sure you stay tuned for that.
Yeah.
So I'm excited with how this is going to go. I think it's going to bring a cozy luxury feel to the steps. So if you are interested in doing this DIY project, it literally cost us, just for this project alone, roughly around $25.
We'll be using the GALAX PRO 180W 130,000. Clear protection as well. Frog tape, and can't forget your paint brushes.
Yeah, for sure.